Okay, so today we're going to go to the annual Women's Memorial March in Vancouver, BC. This is my partner, Gloria Cardinal. First of all, we're going to go to Fets on the Drive, do a little bit of a romantic breakfast. And we'll fill you up more and bring you some footage from the annual Valentine's Day Memorial March. Basically what it is all the women who've died over the past many years and were victims of violence and started in horrible ways. We just wanted to take the time to remember them and that they weren't forgotten. Anyways, we're cruising up to Commercial Drive now, and we're just going to try to find parking, which is pretty much impossible. So I'll leave you at that, and I'll see you down the
all across what's now called Canada. They come from down the United States, all across Turtle Island. They come here to try to find a better life, and look what's happened. It's not fair. Shame, I say shame. That's right. They should feel safe when they come here. We need to try to help them, and that's why we're here. People always say, well, what are you guys doing for them? Why can't you help them? I think that's what we're doing here today. It is our way of showing our support and our love for these women, right?